Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into facility. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Facility, which means a place, amenity, or piece of equipment provided for a particular purpose. Number 1. Service, which means a system supplying a public need such as transport, communications, or utilities such as electricity and water. Service. For example, the provision of a wide range of local services. Number 2. Installation, which means a military or industrial establishment. Installation. For example, a local army installation. Number 3. Amenity, which means a desirable or useful feature or facility of a building or place. Amenity. For example, the older type of housing lacks basic amenities. Number 4. Resource, which means a source of help or information. Resource. For example, census records are an invaluable resource for the historian. Number 5. Convenience, which means a thing that contributes to an easy and effortless way of life. Convenience. For example, voicemail was seen as one of the desktop conveniences of the electronic office. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.